And I'm going. Extra 300 homemade phony. Here we go. What size is that motor?
I have no idea.
It's a little bitty one, eh? Yeah, I mean, it's like a 1400, 1480 kilovolt, something like that.
Wow. It's been a while since I flew an airplane.
That thing's just so graceful, man. It just does whatever you tell it.
The trim was a little off on it.
It's a good save, though. Nah. I see it. It wasn't too bad. That was a pretty light hit, comparably.
Keep going straight up.
At least she managed to roll her over before she landed.
Yeah.
I think she landed on, hit that high grass. I think it hit the wheels and worked like a brake. That's a good landing. No problems. See? It's got a little bit there.
Grass. Ooh, that looks sharp. I thought you'd cut that off. Oh, the skewer.
Was it?
Yeah.
Wow. What's that? Grass, that's too scared to pull it, but it's a wire that's so heavy duty. Fire in the background of the sun, you can see it better.
That's gross.
Is it? She still flies. I'll record my iPhone and see how it records at night. I'm sure there's a way to zoom this in and stuff, but I don't know how to do it. You know, I bet it's these little buttons on the side. Can't see what it's doing. Is it resetting it? I think it's resetting it. Turn it off and on. Yeah, I think I was stopping and starting to hit no buttons. I was just experimenting.
Oh, it's not too long.
Did it?
Yeah, I lost my prop or something. Oh, the motor mount probably broke.
No, the prop came half off. Yeah.
Tricky little thing again.
Is it on? No, it ain't.
This is the motor I rebuilt. I might have just screwed it up.
Yeah, you better wait. I wouldn't crash it one more time, man. Yeah, something ain't right. The wire's bad. You move it and all. That's exactly what it is. One of them wires is loose.
Alright.
Back to the drawing board.
I might have to rewind that one. I just rewound it.
That's how I screwed up my big F-22, was trying to fly it like that. Got up and then...
One came undone, probably.
That's really good. That's what my F-22. I was flying it when it done that.
Hopefully it's at the EFC
They
connection.
must have a game at Southwest tonight. I thought they used the stadium. I didn't think they used that over there anymore.
Of course, they're still recording on that one. Not on the ones you want.
Oh, it's still your camera?
Yeah,
they are, aren't they? Yeah.